to paint a picture, before this, the phone call is something like the pumps, the motor sounds like it's overworking and there's some sort of weird sound coming. It would be information like that. Pressure's low, just sort of.
Exactly. On either the submersible pump and the multi-stage pump, we're able to monitor live, using LTE, and depending on the customer, what their capabilities of LTE or and communication. But either it's not live. When the pumps come back, we're also able to collect the data afterwards, and then we're improving our report of failure for our customers.
Let's walk through the implementation of it for you. Let's go, starting 2 years in. So you started in what year again, did you say?
2015.
2015. Okay. So what were sort of the main stages that you got the company to in terms of the technology and the deliverable?
Of course. So like I said, we started on maybe looking at the equipment, typical failures, how can we make it better? And through our exchanges, we were always discussing the need for more data, maybe more background on what happened with that pump. Like, did it operate? Was there cavitation? Was it just dropped from on the floor? What happened?
Yeah.
So they had an idea to develop a tag, right? Which is basically a sensor going into the pump. So this is a proprietary technology to Technosub. They've implemented that into submersible pumps. But the data that would come out of this tag, they just asked us basically if we could help to analyze it and get some conclusion or trends out of this data and make sense of what could have happened in terms of failures. And ultimately, the idea is if we get these sensors on many, many pumps, then we have a lot more data. We can have more reliable diagnostics, maybe real-time diagnostics, and get into the actual maintenance strategy. So preventive maintenance, predictive maintenance. So this is what we're after. So maybe long story short, started on the R&D side. They developed the technology. We started to analyze the data coming from this tag, I guess in 2018, 2019.
Yes.
And then 2020, we also developed a monitoring solution, but for main pumps. So not the submersible pumps, but for the pumping station. And this is building up on the technology that we developed also in the fan industry, right? So the main fans technology is also applicable to the main pumping station. So we sort of shifted gear at that point. And since we had more data on pumps, then we started doing demonstration of our software, LiveFlow, in collaboration with Technosub in actual open pit mines.
Wow.
So this is where we stand right now, I guess 10 years later.
Yeah, and getting the data, it's something everybody can do, but we needed our partner on board with us that can make those data talk and bring an easy language for our customers. The numbers, they can tell nothing to our customers, but now we can, with Optis, we're able to transmit that to our customers.